Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever accidentally deleted a contact in Mailchimp or discovered that someone's missing from your audience, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the process of restoring those deleted contacts in Mailchimp, so you can keep your campaigns running smoothly and your mailing list complete. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to back up your contacts, recover any missing ones, and make sure your communication never skips a beat. Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar where you'll see Audience. Go ahead and click on that. The Audience section is basically the heart of Mailchimp. Think of it as the address book for all your email marketing. Before we make any changes, there's a really important first step you should always do: make a backup. Seriously, this is one of those things you'll thank yourself for later, especially if you ever have to fix something that went wrong or if you make accidental changes. To create your backup, look for the Export Audience option. Just click on that and you'll see the option to export as a CSV file. This file is basically a spreadsheet that contains all your important contact information. Go ahead and select Export CSV and Mailchimp will start prepping your export. Sometimes this might take a minute or two, especially if you have a large audience, so don't worry if it doesn't appear right away. Once it's ready, you can check on the status by clicking View Export History. Here, you'll see a list of all your past exports. Find the one you just made and hit download. Save that file somewhere safe. Think of it as your safety net. Now let's talk about what to do if a contact gets deleted or goes missing. It happens more often than you think. Maybe you cleaned your audience a little too aggressively or someone else on your team accidentally removed a person. No matter the reason, restoring a contact is actually pretty simple, especially since we already took the time to make that backup. To begin restoring, stay in the Audience section and look for the Add Contacts option. Click that and you'll see Import Contacts. This is exactly what we need. You're going to choose to import contacts by uploading a file, specifically the CSV file you just exported as your backup. This file is your golden ticket to getting those deleted or missing contacts back into your list. Click Upload a File, and then just select that exported CSV from your computer. Mailchimp will walk you through a couple of prompts, like mapping the columns in your file to the right fields. Just follow along and double-check to make sure things like email addresses and names are lining up correctly. That helps avoid any messy data down the line. Once you're ready, finish the import, and just like that, your lost contacts are restored as if nothing ever happened, and that's really all there is to it. The most important thing is to get into the habit of exporting your audience regularly, so you always have a fresh backup you can rely on. Mistakes happen to the best of us, but with these steps in your back pocket, you'll never have to stress about losing valuable contacts again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Mailchimp tip you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.